Before buying a smart mug warmer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You don't just want to keep your coffee warm, you want it to stay at the perfect temperature without burning or going cold. Product number 1, Coffee Mug Warmer by Fast Heat. First up, we have the Coffee Mug Warmer Fastest Heating and Highest Temperature. Priced around $29, this one caught my attention because it claims to offer the fastest heating. If you want your coffee to stay hot without waiting, this is worth a serious look. This mug warmer features 4 temperature settings and can keep your drinks warm for up to 12 hours. Imagine never having to rush to finish your coffee again. It also has an auto shut-off feature that ensures safety, which is a big deal if you're often distracted. Plus, it's designed to reach a high temperature quickly, so you can enjoy that first sip without it going cold. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky on their desks. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about keeping your drinks hot, the size is a small trade-off for the performance you get. It accommodates most mugs and cups, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. This is perfect for you if you often lose track of time while working or like to sip your coffee throughout the day. But skip this one if you're looking for something ultra sleek and compact. For around $29, you're getting a solid option that does its job well. Now, if the size of the last mug warmer bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, House Gem Mug Warmer. Next, we have the House Gem Mug Warmer, priced similarly at $29.04. What really drew me in was its beautiful wood finish, making it not only functional but also stylish. If you want both aesthetics and performance, this is worth a serious look. That means you can find the perfect warmth just the way you like it. Plus, it's equipped with a larger heating area of 5.2 inches, making it suitable for most mugs out there. The auto shut-off and timer features ensure you won't have any safety issues, which is a huge plus for busy days. Now, some people have mentioned that it doesn't work well with flat-bottomed mugs. Here's the thing though, most standard mugs work just fine. If you're a fan of unique mug designs, that might be a deal breaker, but for everyday use, it's a great choice. This is perfect for those who want a warmer that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, but skip it if you have a collection of flat-bottomed mugs. At around $29, you're getting a stylish and effective coffee warmer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your coffee hot. Product number 3, Barewind Coffee Mug Warmer. Coming in at $25.25, the Barewind Coffee Mug Warmer is another great contender. What impressed me was its 50W power, which means it heats up faster than the competition. If you hate waiting for your coffee to warm up, this is definitely worth a look. The intuitive smart display makes adjusting the settings a breeze, and the timer feature gives you peace of mind, automatically shutting off after 4 hours. It even has a large heating surface that fits most mugs easily, which is super convenient. Now, I did find some users mentioning that it can get a little hot to the touch. Here's why it's not a deal breaker. As long as you handle it with care, you won't have any issues. It's all about knowing how to use it safely. This is perfect for you if you want something quick and easy to use. But skip this one if you prefer a warmer that stays cool to the touch. At just $25.25, it's a great value for a reliable coffee warmer. Now, if you're still on the hunt for something more straightforward, the next option is a great alternative. Product number 4, SWETFULL Mug Warmer. Next up is the SWETFULL Coffee Mug Warmer, priced at $27.15. I was drawn to this warmer because of its user-friendly design and 3 temperature settings. If you want something uncomplicated that still keeps your drink warm, this is worth checking out. This 36W warmer has 3 different temperature settings to keep your beverage at the perfect warmth. It's designed to be safe with an auto shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry about forgetting it on your desk. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to move around if you need to. However, some users mentioned that the heating plate could be a bit small for larger mugs. Here's why it's still worth considering. It's perfect for standard-sized coffee mugs and does a fantastic job of keeping your drink warm, which is what most people need. This is perfect for someone who wants a reliable warmer without any frills, but skip it if you often use oversized mugs. For $27.15, it's a solid, dependable choice. Now, if you want something even more versatile, this next warmer might catch your eye. Product number 5, Basic Coffee Mug Warmer. Last but not least is the Basic Coffee Mug Warmer, also priced at $25.25. What I liked about this one is its simplicity and ease of use. If you want something straightforward without any complications, this could be the one for you. This warmer features auto shut-off technology, ensuring safety even if you forget to turn it off. It's compatible with all types of cups, which is a big plus if you have a mix of mugs at home. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store, making it perfect for someone who values convenience. However, some users have indicated that it may not retain heat as well as some higher-end options. Here's my take: if you're looking for a basic warmer that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is still a good option. This is perfect for you if you just want a simple, effective warmer. But skip it if you need something that offers a range of temperature settings. At $25.25, it's a budget-friendly choice that covers the essentials. So that wraps up our list of some great smart mug warmers for coffee lovers. To recap, we've covered 5 fantastic smart mug warmers. The Fast Heat Mug Warmer is for those who want high performance, while the House Gem offers style with functionality. The Barewin stands out for its quick heating, the SWETFULL is perfect for simplicity, and the Basic Mug Warmer is all about value. No matter which one you choose, you can keep enjoying your coffee just the way you like it.